Right in front of it, huh?
Yeah, but it's sucked in. It's the best way to go. Clear prop.
Clear.
Here we go.
Okay.
Yay! Congratulations. That's awesome.
Shut everything down.
Okay, so RPM tech doesn't work.
It almost reads double, is what I would guess it is. It's hard to tell. It's definitely wrong.
It is reading some sort of RPM.
It's reading, but like at idle, it was showing like 2,000 RPM. And so as soon as what I was estimating to be 15, which I don't know, but
Yeah,
I
yeah,
was
by
guessing
sound and
was
feel.
like 45.
Okay, so back to the mag switch. So which
Sorry,
switch
mag
are you talking
switch.
about?
So left dropped like, again, can't trust it.
Yeah, yeah.
But dropped 250 RPM.
Okay.
Right dropped almost 400.
Okay.
Wow.
They did run by themselves, but that was a big jump.
Yeah,
The
mine's on.
ignition tests. So if I moved it to left, and then I hit the left button, did nothing
Good.
at all.
That's good.
It should drop the.
No, it takes ship power off of it. If it dies, that's bad.
Oh, okay. Well, then they worked fine.
Okay, great. Okay.
Then right did the same thing.
Okay, good.
Both is definitely. I mean, you heard. You could tell when I was doing it, right?
Yeah, oh yeah, I could hear
sorry.
it. How'd the prop go? It sounded like it.
Prop was fine.
Yeah.
It took about
Takes a little bit to get it in
six,
there.
maybe 5 or 6 seconds.
Yeah.
It was not bad at all. And you're not seeing any leaks up there on the governor?
Nothing.
Nice. Oil temperature hovered around. It started at 92 when I shut off. It was 94.
You got a lot of air cooling.
Yeah, that is
A
true.
lot of air cooling and a whole lot of
And
oil.
we can we'll pull the data off of that card too. Okay, so we got a fixed tack. Mag
secondary
switches. Okay.
alternate field was an op.
That's right.
Alternator was working?
Primary was working, secondary did not.
Oh.
Or
Okay.
it never got below the
It-
voltage threshold to kick on. One of the two.
We'll figure that one out.
Yeah.
It would be nice though to just be able to say, I want the secondary on.
That's what that should do.
It should be? Okay,
Yeah,
good.
yeah. Like, if you pulled this primary off, because I looked, the voltage started sagging, and the secondary should have picked it up, but it doesn't pick it up till 13.6.
We were well under 12.
Okay.
Or well under 13. So we were like 12 too.
I didn't check your beacon for you.
It worked.
For,
I looked.
for Navratil, I
The
should say.
Navratil was working.
The throttle needs to be adjusted. The idle, if I pull the throttle all the way out, it will shut the engine off. So we need to adjust the throttle.
Yeah.
And then I couldn't test the proper or the mixture because I couldn't get RPM.
Yeah.
So we may just save that for our first test. We'll do a ground test before you take off. Just verify everything looks good rather than doing
Another
an
engine run.
intermediary engine run.
Yeah.